Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's episode, we want to address a month-end closing issue related to project management accounting module. So what happens here is for the accounting team, they have put the period of August on hold. That means we expect to see no transactions can be posted within this period. However, we do notice that there are some project hour or labor transactions being posted successfully. And now we have the question here, why this could happen. So in this episode, I'm going to reproduce the issue and show you the actual reason within the project management accounting module settings. All right, so let's get started. First, I'm going to put the period on hold. So let's enter general ledger, and then I will get to ledger calendar here. And basically, here's the screen where you can control for which legal entity you want to change the status, right? Currently, we are on 2024, and then I want to close the period 8, so for August, only for USSI legal entity. So I will find my legal entity. Okay, there it is. I will check this, and current status is open. So now I want to update the status to on hold to all the modules. Now it's on hold, and that's going to apply to all general ledger module, sales tax, and including also the project related module, right? So from here, my expectation is when I create a transaction, the system is going to error out and say the period is put on hold, so no transactions can be posted. But now let's go to project management accounting module, and then I'm going to open up a project. So let's use this project date project. All right, and from here we can create our journal. So let me create a new one and then go to lines. So I'm adding a new line, and you see the project date here, right? Currently it's 9/10, but I want to put to the month end. Let's say I want to put to August 31st. So basically that period is on hold, and then we can test out how the system behaves. So now I will pick a resource randomly, and then we can add 40 hours, and then I'm going to save it. So currently we have all the information filled in. Now when I post it, let's see if the system is posting correctly. So currently I don't have any error message, and it shows up as posted. So now the user came back and say why this can be posted for 8/31. So now let's go to check one thing first. So I will be one step back, and then let's go to manage, enter posted transactions. What I want to show you here is this is our transaction, right? 8/31. And then for this transaction, I will see the view voucher. And basically what you see here is the posting date being September the 1st instead of 8/31, right? And actually this is the root cause of this issue, or this is actually not an issue that's controlled through a setting. I'm now showing you the setting. So that's going to be in the project management accounting module, and then we can go to find the setting parameters, right? And then I will scroll down to journal section, and you have a section here called ledger, and the first option automatically set accounting date to open ledger period. So self-explanatory, meaning that if I have a transaction with a project date being put under a period that has been closed, then the system should not block the posting, but only post this transaction to the first day of the next available period. That's in my case. So it's posted into the 1st of September. So the reason of this is your labor transactions always have an impact on the payroll, and the accounting team will have the possibility to control which period that should be posted. And if we are setting this way, then this is standard behavior that the system will still post the transaction, but the actual accounting posting date is going to be the 1st of September. However, when you see this posted transaction screen, you will see the project date of August the 31st, which is different, right? So that can be also confusing for the accounting team. They can say, oh, actually, this transaction is posted to my August, but it has been closed. Actually, this posting is not within August because this is just the project date when that actual work is happening, right? But the actual posting date is through this voucher, and this is your voucher date, the 1st of September. And from here is basically a choice by the customer whether they want to block the transaction. Then in that case, they disable that setting, or they can allow this being posted to the next period automatically. All right, and this is a short and sweet one. Just in case you're struggling asking the same question, then I hope this video is helpful. And if you're interested in all the project dates, the posting date, voucher date, I have already another video available to explain all the differences. So feel free to check that out. I'll put the link here, and feel free to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode.